Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get free tokens on Tigo in 2025. So this works on iOS and Android. It's super cool, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So what you want to do is go to this site hexmods.com and find Tigo. Go ahead and press on it, and as you can see, it says free tokens. So go ahead and press download button, and before it downloads, guys, you're going to do a verification. So this is where you have to download 2 apps to complete the instructions. They're completely for free, and they're from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to load, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So basically, guys, as you can see, it brings me to this page, and it says complete 2 free apps or surveys to finish installing the mod. So we're just going to do that right here. So I did Dice Dreams and Family Island, so you just press tap to install, and it'll bring you straight to the App Store. And you just have to run the app. Some of them you have to run them for 30 seconds. Some of them you have to reach like level 10 on the game. It really doesn't matter because you're getting free tokens on Tigo, guys, which is totally worth it in my opinion. So be sure to try it out. And then, by the way, as you can see, it says the specific instructions. So down, still run for 30 seconds, complete Kingdom level 6, whatever it says to do, guys. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to try us out. It actually works, guys. As you can see, I have free tokens on Tigo, so that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys be sure to go and share it. It's super awesome, and this actually works 2025. So yeah, if you're poor, guys, you need to give this method a try, because it is super cool, and you can actually get free tokens on Tigo, guys. So get the word out. This is super crazy, and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about this method. Peace out, guys, because this is sick. Oh my gosh.